The many advantages of natural stone veneer. Dear friends, when choosing veneers for your next home or landscaping project, one of the first questions you may have been whether to choose a natural stone veneer or a manufactured veneer. Many mistakenly believe that natural veneer is going to be much more expensive than its manufactured counterpart, but this is not true. When you consider the value and durability of natural stone, choosing it for your project is an excellent idea. Here I'll explain the many advantages of choosing this material over its alternatives. It's natural. Natural stone comes straight from the earth, so it is entirely pure whether it's fieldstone or quarried. Its beauty will last for years and years, and that is an advantage on its own. Choosing to use a natural stone also means there is less man-made waste, which is better for the environment. It is virtually maintenance-free. When you choose a natural stone veneer, you will have very little maintenance to worry about after installation. Natural veneers can withstand any sort of weather and you'll never need to repaint them. If you choose a high-quality stone veneer, it's likely to last for a long time. Simple application. For an experienced stone layer, natural veneers are versatile and easy to use. They can be placed over bricks or other rigid structures. Even if you choose to do the project on your own, it's fairly simple to do. The material is light and easy to work with and requires less work than other available options. Great look inside or out. You can use stone veneer, both in the interior of your home and on the exterior. It can be used for a fireplace, siding for your home, or any other place you want to enjoy. It's ideal for new construction, but also works great for remodeling projects. Natural stone veneers are the way to go whether you are looking for a rustic appearance or a stone wall in your garden. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.